everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I quickly wanted to just talk to you guys about very important things, couple of important things. First, starting with breath, and it looks like that we have gone to a tradable environment today. First of all, why do I say that? I say that because MBI has turned green. First of all, the um, the net high low number also has increased, and we've had a very big gap uh, on the US Iran peace talks deal, whatever. And not just that, the other factors like crude has broken sort of uh, the the bias was already bearish here. Yeah, so the bias was already bearish on this day when we broke down of the 50-day moving average or from this base, and further bearish today. US dinar also broke down from the 50-day, and VIX has stayed below 50-day and cooling down for some time. So a lot of things have come together today, um, and my own a momentum indicator mswing has also gone to a very bullish territory. Okay, but what I wanted to talk to you about today to you guys is not the fact that breath has changed. I mean, this is fairly simple. Most of your readings will say that the breath has changed to bullish. Okay, um, uh, I mean, the fine readings will be different in the sense that will it spend some time here or will it break out? Those things are not clear, and those things can never be clear to a very high degree probabilistically. But what I wanted to share with you guys today is that two things. Okay, first thing is to uh, trade only leaders. This is the most important thing. So, for example, if you say what are the leading groups currently, there are a couple of leading groups. One is the defense, optical fibers, wires and cables, and your electricals. Okay, electrical equipment. And in electrical equipment there are a lot of different subgroups. So, for example, cooling, transformers, um, I am not very sure because I am not a fundamental guy, but there are like small groups inside, but they can all be clubbed in as uh, uh, electrical equipments or so. Okay, the idea, the central part of the message is not to identify the leaders per se, but to only trade the leaders. Okay, so on 4th April, I wrote an article saying how to identify long-term bottom. Very simple article. Basically, it's a two-part thing. One, the market bid has to be oversold in a longer-term time frame, and there has to be some kind of bullish divergence, and then the confirmations come in the form of actual price uh, and the indicators are going up, and the major confirmation is FII buying will go net positive. So this one has not come yet, but mota what has happened is that we bounced, and around the same Monday, April 6th, the I shared with my group that the market is probably going to shift from no money environment to a hard money environment very soon. And at the time, I shared a four stocks which looked the best to me. One was, of course, Ether. Second one was KRN, MTAR, and Sterlite Tech. Okay, um, so these were the apparent leaders, and these have done extremely well right now. So if you look at MTAR, when the market during that period of time, if you see, let's say from the bottom till the top, it has done around 19%. The mid small, the small cap slightly more, maybe around 22. Nifty hasn't done much, but let's say 20% has the general market done. Whereas you can see that the apparent leaders like MTAR has done 147% from that low. Okay, Okay, you might not be able to enter here. Let's say you entered here at from the perfect entry till the swing high, we've done 120%. So that's like almost a 10 times, uh, at least 5 times more than the market. The other names which we at the time discussed, like STL Tech has also done tremendously well, 250%. KRN, this was the third one. This is also sort of done well, if not extremely well. And Ether, slightly slow mover, but safe to say that this also has done very well as compared to the market. Now, the like I said, this video is not about giving you the information that we have changed the 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 market regime has changed. That is not the primary message. The message is in two parts. The first part is to always trade the leaders. Okay. So yeah, so very simple, always trade the leaders. What is the second part of the message? The second part of the message is the more important part, is that we always think, whenever we see the leaders, we always look at them and see the prior up move, and the first thing in our mind it comes with is that it has moved so much already, how much more could it go? Okay. And this question has made more investors, traders poorer than any other question in the world. Okay. And this is not a phenomena right now. This will happen every single day. You look at any leader, this question will come, भाई इतना तो चल गया और कितना ही जा सकता है? And the answer, simple answer to that question is, और भी बहुत जा सकता है ना? It can double, it can triple from here also. That's what leaders do. The same kind of question also came before STL Tech moved 250% at this point, and on 8th April, when market gapped up on 7th or 8th, I'm not exactly sure, but that's not the point. If you if you if you replay that bar from here, the same question also would have arose on this day. Okay. And so let's say we broke out of this on 8th April and be like, are bro, 143% तो भाग चुका है ये in about a month or so, a month or two, और कितना ही जाएगा, है ना? So and then it basically showed you और कितना ही जाएगा, है ना? The blue marks are my entries. Yeah, so and the same thing also happened with MTAR, and the same thing is also happened with a lot of other stocks. And the same thing will also happen to you if you look at the current leaders. Astra Micro, bro, this bro has gone like 40% when the market has gone sideways, और कितना ही जाएगा? शायद अभी sideways होएगा. Same thing, Apollo Microsystems, bro, look at this, bro, 143% in like 2-3 months, और कितना ही जाएगा, है ना? So you get the point. That's why the second part of the message is more important. See, couple of things are very easy. Ascertaining the market conditions are very easy. Okay, that can be taught. That can be like taught. I can teach you to the T. How to identify leaders also, one can teach and one can learn. What cannot be taught, and that's something very personal, you have to 100% make the effort by yourself, and only you can make that better, is how you behave, your psychology, and how you actually manage your trade, and all of those things, the implementation of the actual trading gyan. So that is the most difficult part, and nobody can help you with that. Okay. It will only come with repeated practice, mindful practice. Okay. You will have to remind yourself every single day. So for example, I am really bad at I'm good at all of these stuffs, but I'm really bad at holding something longer. Okay, and that has been that is the rate limiting step. Okay, that is the bottleneck in my trading, uh, uh, to take my trading to like the next level. Okay, and so I have identified it, and I'm every day working towards it little by little. Okay, so you have to identify that. And one such problem, since I talk to most traders, is the fact that you look at something and you look at the prior uptrend and think, bro, itna to chal gaya aur kitna jayega. So I'm here to tell you with this video, I hope with all the examples that I showed you, um, uh, and uh, and I hope it makes sense, and that that this question is a very bogus question, and the answer to the question should be that और भी बहुत जाएगा. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like it, share it with your trader friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.